Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to share. Today I'm going to show you how to use ScreenPal for a course called AI for ELT.
4-week hands-on online course.
Going to show you what the course looks like and tell you a little bit about why you should join. There are a few perks for one, and I'll talk about them in a minute. First of all, take a look at the overview where you get all the information. You just scroll down, and that's how you get the information. When you're done, and notice all the blue, those are links. They're all clickable, so feel free to click away. Then you go back up, and then you go into the introduction. Scroll down once again. Now watch the videos. They're all based on YouTube, and I'd love your comments for each one. There's an introduction by me. You're also going to introduce yourself using Colossian and not be afraid to start the course. Once you start, you are going to have so much fun. But the first step is to hit the introduction. After reading all of this, simply go into introduction and follow the instructions. Watch the video and notice here you will join Colossian, so click on that to get all the perks, and then full pro features by joining the team. And there's another video here on how to embed your video using a code, and it's really easy. You're also going to go through these, and at the end you're going to hit add discussion topic and get started. And this will open up tomorrow, March 1st. Today is one day before, so get acquainted. Just click away anywhere. Let me go to the left here. Notice on the left you've got the same thing. Right now I'm here, and there's the introduction right in the middle, so they are synced. The green filled in circles mean that I've viewed that. The ones that are still open and not filled in mean that I haven't done the activity yet. And as I said, starting tomorrow. So let's go back here to week 1 again and scroll down. I want to show you a video tutorial and how to navigate the course. But before I go into that, I've showed you the left. I'll show you the right, because that's what you're going to do in the video tutorial using ScreenPal. Yes, ScreenPal. And you'll also get a chance to win a pro for 1 year on ScreenPal. If you complete all the activities, there will be a raffle at the end of the course. So work and complete the course. It's going to be worth your while. So see what information is on the right here. Notice Colossian, go into account, get your account, but only use the links that are clickable for Colossian, and then join the team. It's here as well. So let's go into the video tutorial, which is what I'm doing right now. You're going to walk us through what you see, and notice everything under the blue. Don't go beyond into the top here. So first of all, you'll go into the overview, and then you'll show us what's under week 1 by scrolling down once you hit it, and then week 2, 3, 4, and then certificate of completion, completely free with a baked code. So it's unique to you, and your name will appear there. So make sure that your name is the way you want it. And if you've got questions about anything, and every question is brilliant, please use the support forms that are available in each week. So this is how you get started. You're going to answer these questions. So take a look at them. You can also copy them and then go into ScreenPal. Here I am on ScreenPal, my favorite screen recorder. So let's get started on this free account. Notice I can go into create at the top right here and choose my options. Notice you need to download ScreenPal, and this is completely free. Notice all the amazing features here on the right. Capture screenshot, record video, edit image, edit video, stories editor, upload content that you already have, create quiz, and create with AI. I just love this. I'm going to go into record video here, but I can also go here, notice, record your screen and webcam by hitting that, and then I have the option of using the online recorder or the desktop recorder, which means you need to download. Going to go into record video and choose online recorder here. And this is what I get. Notice I need to enable this. I'm not going to enable the webcam at this time. I'm only going to use my microphone. So allow this time, even though you see my webcam there, but I'm going to disable it. And then I'm going to choose the screen. I'm going to choose this screen so I can show you everything about AI for ELT, walk you through the course. So let me hit share, and there I'm ready to record. Notice here, stop sharing is here whenever I'm ready, and my camera is off. I can turn it on, but there we go. But in this case, I want it off because I'm using a screen recorder already and might be confusing for the system. So let me hit record. Now, once you hit record, you're going to go to where you were. All right. So let me hit record and go to where I was right here and show you everything about the course. Now, I'm not going to show you everything, but I hope you will. Notice everything under the blue. On the blue is also relevant to you. You click on everything that's blue. Let's look at the left here. That's called course index. Everything is synced with the center. So if I go to let's get started, I will get let's get started right here. Notice with all these forms where the activities are, all you need to do is go into add discussion topic and start. Let me scroll down and go into communication and support. This is where you ask questions. Please ask questions. You are required to read the instructions carefully. Watch the videos. They're YouTube videos from my channel. But nonetheless, there are questions because we don't understand things the same way. So please feel free to ask. It'll make me happy. So the more you ask, the happier I will be. So keep that in mind and just ask questions. Right, so we're going to go back into, let's close this up and go to the top before we do, so you can see how it's synced with the center. So now we are in this section. Notice there are 6 sections. One's the overview, and then weeks 1 to 4, and then the certificate of completion, which is amazing because it is unique to you, with your name and with the code embedded in it. No one can copy it or save as because it'll not have the unique code that you got when you received it. So we scroll down whenever we get to any of these menu tabs or sections, weekly sections, and then you've got various activities here. Notice to do, which means you have to do it. If you go into it, you'll see what. Here you must view it. The communication and support is not a to do. You don't have to do it. And then there is introduction, which is to do, and you notice what you get here. You receive a grade, receive a passing grade. The passing grade is 100. Everybody gets 100. Or you don't get a grade because you haven't done it. But once you do it, you will get 100. And then introduction, form, question here, how AI can enhance teaching and learning experiences in practical ways. And then the video tutorial. The introduction, notice there is a summary here, a video to watch, information, please read it carefully, and then the instructions, one step at a time, another video. And again, it says to start with add a discussion topic. That's what you do. You add for each of these discussion forums. It's exactly the same. You hit add discussion topic, and then you'll be able to do that, but only from tomorrow, since the course starts on March 1st. Let's go back into week 1. And notice I got leveled up. This is gamification. The more you do, the more points you get. Notice here, account on Colossian. Please create it using this link and then join the team. But let me know when you join the team. So you'll have to use the support form to let me know that you've joined the team so that I can give you editor rights with the pro features. So go into communication. Let me know once you join the team so I can upgrade you. Let's go down to the video tutorial, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm showing you what's on the left, what's in the center. I'll show you what's on the right, but you'll be able to discover this all by yourself by going into these. Go into them and show me what's there and show us, because we're going to learn from each other. Click on it. And then notice what I get here. Instructions and a video. Please support me on my YouTube channel and add comments to each of the videos. This will be very, very helpful. And then notice there's ScreenPal. You watch the video and then you get a free account on ScreenPal so that you can do the assignment. Notice the questions here. You can copy them and answer them. What specific features are available in the course index? This is just to show that you really know what you're doing. So we're going to go in to add a discussion topic so that we can start. Let's go into ScreenPal and I'll show you how it's done. I already have an account and I already created this video. Actually, I'm going to hit done. You can see what it looks like at the very end. And you'll be sharing it. And how you'll share it? You'll simply go into the settings. They're preparing. You see the video is being prepared first. So you'll have to wait for that. It can be unlisted, or if you like, you can make it public. And then notice it says unpublished, which means that it's already published as public. Notice what's here, schedule a publish date. That's up to you. But for this sake, let's save it so that it stays public. And it's still being prepared, even though I've made it public, as you can see. And it may take a little bit of time, but no worries. We'll be able to still share the video. So let's go into share video. Notice what's here, embed options. You're going to go into embed options, but you can read what's here in case you want to learn more. And I think the more you learn about this amazing tool that has AI tools in it, you will learn that it's really worth your while. And when you finish the course, you'll have a chance for a raffle to get a free pro account, a free ScreenPal. And there are other perks as well in the course. So let's get started here with the share. All right, so what I want is the embed. All right, so I'm under share, and here is the embed. Going to copy. I can preview it first, yes, but I think you can also change the size if you want. Okay, I like it smaller. So we'll copy the code after we've done this, and then we'll go into the course right here. Scroll down until we get to add a discussion topic, add a subject, which is my video, and you can add something else to it. Next, notice this is called the editor. We're going to click on the three dots. And we'll put it in the center because I like things in the middle, but you don't have to. And then we'll go into Tools, Source, and just paste the code. That's it. If you're afraid of codes, you can close your eyes and just go into the Save. And here it comes. You can see that it's not that small after all. And then Post to Form. If you want to add information, you can do that. And check. Check to make sure that it's open the way we wish. All right, notice I've done something else there, but these are two Nellies. One has a free account and one doesn't. And here it is, huge, right? And then you can play it. All right, so let's go back now and show you how I did that. All right, so I went into Create over here, and I chose Record Video, or I went into Record Video here and chose Online. It's exactly the same. And then, notice, let's hit that. Going to hit Record Video. Choose the Chrome tab if you're using Chrome or any other browser tab. And then notice what I'm going to do here. I'm going to hit Record and then go back here so I can record this. Take you on a tour by going into the course, back into the course AI for ELT. Take you through it and explain everything, what's on the left, what's on the right. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to stop or here into Edit Details. That's it. It's that easy. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the course and feel free to ask questions. In fact, I insist that you ask questions as we go. Have a great day. Thank you.